It starts with a smile, a kind little spark.
A joyful scene of two children meeting for the first time in a lush green park. One child smiles warmly, holding out a hand, while the other shyly returns.
The smile fireflies glow softly around them as the sun sets, casting a golden light.
Hand in hand, we run and play.
Two children holding hands as they run through a colorful meadow filled with flowers. The children are laughing, their hair blowing in the wind. A small puppy playfully follows them, and the sky is painted in soft pastel colors.
Three, a treasure true and sweet.
Two children digging together
In a sandy beach, uncovering a treasure chest filled with shiny seashells and trinkets. Both are smiling. Seashells and trinkets, both are smiling.
with one child pointing excitedly at the discovery. Gentle waves crash in the background.
Through ups and downs, they'll always stay. Two children sitting under a large shady tree during a rainstorm, sharing a bright yellow umbrella. One child comforts the other with a warm hug,
while raindrops splash around them.
Friends are there to wipe your tears.
A child with tears in their eyes, being comforted by a friend who offers a handkerchief.
They are sitting on a bench in a sunny park, surrounded by flowers and birds,
with a hopeful rainbow in the background.
They must sprinkle friendship everywhere.
A group of diverse children standing together in a circle, smiling and holding hands. Each child is sprinkling colorful sparkles or flower petals into the air, symbolizing the joy of friendship.
The backdrop shows a vibrant, magical